That didn't even need to be churned. That is...
That's nut butter.
I've been watching you.
Woo! Hey crazy crew. Woo! Hey crazy crew, welcome back to another video. So, you're probably thinking, where the hell are you, Miles? Well, let me tell you. Well, right now I'm in the middle of a forest. Well, technically a mountain with lots of trees in it. But I'm in LA. By the way, the reason I'm standing in the middle of a jungle, stroke mountain, stroke forest, stroke I'm about to be attacked by a mountain lion anytime soon. I can feel it. Yeah, we're actually just doing a little bit of filming for something that you're probably not going to see. But, and yes, I am wearing a coat because it is actually pretty chilly here. So yeah, a couple days ago we flew over from London to LAX. And yeah, when I landed, I felt like I was at home. I love the States. I grew up here. So yeah, this...
Mountain lion, raw!
Off. Anyways, so yeah, this is gonna be like... so yeah, this is gonna be like a what ate in a day video. But I might vlog over the next couple of days so that I can show you some of the amazing eats that we go to whilst here in California. Also, I just wanted to put it out there, yeah, that if any of my American viewers watching this want to marry me, I mean, at this point I'll do anything for a green card, purely so I can move back here and eat the Trader Joe's nut butter like every day, all day, every day. So anyone, female, male, animal, alien, tree, if you have a green card, hit me up, please. Also, if any of you thought, which you probably didn't, that there wasn't going to be a nut butter review in this video just because I'm in a different country and just because this is vlog style, well, you'd be wrong. Anyways, I have to get back to what we were filming now, so I'll see you in a bit. Over and out. Breakfast is served. I'm just starting the day off with some cantaloupe because we had to bring breakfast with us because we're kind of filming. Like I said earlier, we're just filming something for the whole of the morning. So I brought a few sweet, juicy melons, and the melons here so far have been incredible. So sweet and juicy. This is actually the sweetest melon I've had in ages. Because life is for the living. Beautiful. Yo. Everybody say hey. Hey.
Oh yeah,
that's gonna deserve a zoom.
that's
Fuck! We didn't even get a good picture. Guys, can we just appreciate the beauty of this place behind me? Do you feel blessed and grateful to be here, Fitz? Or are you just hungry?
More than blessed. I am hungry, and I am grateful, and I am blessed. How can you not be?
But more hungry than blessed.
A lot more hungry than
Let's
blessed.
go get dinner.
Let's roll, let's roll.
Alright guys, we're at a place called Cafe Gratitude for dinner. We've been waiting to come here for ages. Anyways, let's go eat. So I actually had really high expectations of this place, Cafe Gratitude, as before I was going to LA, everyone told me and DM'd me saying that this was the one place that I had to go to. The menu looked incredible. There were so many things I wanted. Sorry, scrap that. I wanted everything on the menu. But for starters, we shared some of the nachos, which were incredible, piled high with guac, beans, and vegan cheese. Also, their tamari maple glazed yams with veggies were super tasty. But the best thing by far was their crispy, oily, roasted Brussels sprouts. If you didn't already know, a Brussels sprout can be a beautiful thing when it's roasted with a little bit of oil and salt. For my main, I did go a little bit boring, but I just felt like a good old salad, if you know what I'm saying. So I got the kale Caesar salad, which was extremely tasty, and it was topped with this Brazil nut parmesan. It was really good food, although it didn't wow me as much as I expected. Looking back now, I'd give this place 8 out of 10. I was initially going to give it a 9 out of 10, but as you'll see, the places we went to after this just got better and better. So yeah, it's a firm 8, would definitely recommend, and yeah, really good food. Guys, do you know what? Do you know what, yeah? I've been complaining about the weather every single day since I got here because it's been pretty crap. It like rained the first couple of days, but today is just absolutely beautiful. Fitzy, my record for these is 150. What can you do?
300.
Oof. Oof.
You're crazy cool.
Okay, so I got this thing called the Island Bowl, which was full of acai and mango with a really creamy coconut base. So lush. The best part was that they literally poured the almond butter on. I'm talking 4, 5, 6 tablespoons. I didn't even have to ask. I felt like I just walked in and they just knew, you know? They knew how it was. Based on my smoothie bowl, I definitely give this place a good 10 out of 10. But let's be honest, I'm actually only giving this a 10 out of 10 because they were very generous with the nut butter portions, all right? It is what it is. Also, yes, I am still addicted to watermelon. It's been going on for weeks. It's just a thing. Actually licked the bowl clean. Actually.
Yeah, actually.
Little coffee, well, decaf coffee, pick me up at Earth Cafe. This is a decaf soy iced latte, I think.
James Bond.
Look at that creamy peanut butter.
Thank you very much.
Christian, don't you know the fat you eat is the fat you wear?
Well, then I'm fat as hell.
Yeah. Guys, this store literally has like nut butters that you can only ever dream of. I mean, $14. What? $1? Bloody hell.
$17.49.
Are they having a fucking giraffe? Coffee, cashew, almond butter. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be sent straight back to rehab after this.
Nah, this how do you cross this road?
Alright guys, we just came to Real Food Daily to get some dinner. Blown away by the vegan options here, guys. Blown away, I tell ya. Now this place, guys, I was super impressed with the quality of the food here. Again, we shared lots of different starters. We had nachos. We always have nachos. It's just a staple for us hungry guys in the evening, I feel. And some really delicious chunky fries with ketchup. There were so many exciting things on the menu that I wanted to try, but I went simple again and had this Caesar salad with grilled tofu. Really nice and thick creamy dressing, which I think was made out of cashews. I also stole some of my friend's cauliflower pizza, which was actually the best thing on the whole table. And for dessert, I had some of their coconut based ice cream, which was so thick and creamy. And I got the pistachio nut flavor. Absolute bomb. I definitely give this place a good 9 out of 10. It would have been a 10 out of 10. But the place we went to later in the video just takes the trophy. So brilliant food, absolutely delicious. Can't wait to go back there again. Can you move the table back a little bit? And you move... Oh no, you need to be forward.
Yeah, you just gotta like sit cross-legged or something so you're lower. What do you have a problem with? Like
I don't know.
You just don't like it? Can we not do it straight on?
Shut up. Hey.
Hello. What is this hand? Alright, am I supposed to intro? Hi guys, hello. Welcome back to another nut butter taste test on my YouTube channel, Healthy Crazy Cool.
Yeah, okay, so basically this is what you call a very improvised nut butter review whilst traveling without a tripod with a special guest. So yeah, anyways, we have, I have spent so much money on nut butter since I've been here. I've probably spent like $120 on nut butters, because I went to Whole Foods. I went to, what's that expensive one I went to?
Erewhon.
I went to Erewhon, whatever.
And Trader Joe's.
And we've got 3 out of that selection today, and we're gonna do the deeds. First of all, we have Justin's maple almond butter. This one is hella expensive.
This one is Artisana. This is the Artisana Organics raw tahini. Miles got it because it's pretty runny and he wants to try it. Normally he doesn't do raw tahini.
Yeah, to this day I've never tasted a raw tahini. That was actually good too, so. And this was pretty expensive, it was like $20. The third one.
I'm so excited for this one. Wait, let me just hide behind it. There we go, we got it.
Third one is the mixed nut butter from Trader Joe's. Dry roasted and salted almonds, cashews, walnuts, Brazil nuts, hazelnuts, and pecan nuts, which you pronounce
Pecan.
Pecans. So we're gonna start with the Justin's almond butter with maple. By the way, this is half empty, although I haven't tried any yet, because even though I bought this, someone that I'm traveling with like tasted it before me. Very rude.
It's really like...
It's really thick.
I feel like it would be really dry on the bottom. Did you? You didn't mix it, did you?
No, it's mixed.
Oh,
it's really
It's so thick.
I don't like thick textures. Cheers.
Cheers. Honestly, I feel like it tastes good with the celery.
It does. Right.
Do you have an aftertaste?
The only thing I don't like is like, okay, flavor is pretty good, but texture is very thick. I mean, look at that.
It's supposed to run.
Look.
It's supposed to be out of the jar by now.
This could actually be Amanda's hat and it just would not come out. That is how runny it is. Okay, flavor is pretty good. I give the flavor like an 8 out of 10, but because of the texture overall, I'd probably give it a 5. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
for the price.
I don't want to reach into a jar and feel like I have to work out to get my almond butter, you know?
I know.
I just want to like give it like a 6.
Really?
I'm really nice when it comes to these things.
You're a bit too nice.
I'm too nice.
I'm gonna give it a 5, so can we meet halfway? 5 and a
So
half?
5.5, yeah.
5.5. The positions that we get into to film. Alright, nut butter number 2, Artisana Organics raw tahini. I have been waiting to test this for months. Actually years, just years.
Ooh, how do you normally do it?
You gotta go in hard. Go in hard and just...
Oh yeah, you do.
Yeah.
I just like go back and forth very patiently.
Alright, here we go.
Totally just cut in front of you.
Cheers.
Wow.
I like it.
I like it a lot.
For a raw tahini, that has like intense flavor.
I've never tried this one. The more I chew it, the more flavor I get.
Okay, so basing this score on the fact that it's raw, that rhymed. Honestly, considering that's raw, I would give it a 10.
I know I'm nice, but I wish it were more runny. I wish it were more runny. That's
True,
the thing.
it could be more runny. I mean, look, it's kind of runny.
It's a little thick.
But it should be poured out by that point, you know?
Yeah, I'm dying because I want it to be runny. But it's really, really good.
Definitely the best raw tahini I've ever tasted. Agreed?
Agreed.
Agreed. Nut butter number 3. The mixed one.
excited.
The one with everything in it.
This one.
I think this was only... Am I in the screen?
Yeah, you are. This is basically the same thing as another nut butter brand called Nutso. And they sell their jars for like $8.
No, $10.
$10?
Yeah. Look at that texture.
my
Right off the bat, that didn't even need to be churned. That is
That's nut butter. No scooping required. Just a quick
dunk.
Just a quick dab. Little dip. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Almonds, cashew nuts, walnuts, Brazil nuts, hazelnuts, pecans.
I would give that 10.
10. 11? Can we do 11?
We can do 11. 11 out of 10. God. Okay, so... so we were just saying that actually this is the clear winner of the day. And we were going to give this 10 out of 10, but actually this is actually an 11 out of 10.
Has to be.
Has to be. I would just like to thank my co-host for hosting this review with me today.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you
I
for
am very
being
honored
here.
to be here.
Yeah, you better be, because this was like a very monumental moment in your life and career, to be quite honest. It can only go downhill from here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, love you, and back to the vlog. Alright guys, well if you made it this far in the vlog, first of all you deserve like a trophy and a medal and something special, but tonight's our last night in LA and we're flying out first thing in the morning. We're gonna be back soon though. Tonight we've come to this restaurant called Sage, which apparently just makes the best vegan food ever, so let's go and eat because I'm absolutely famished. Okay, first of all, the options at Sage on the menu were endless. It honestly took us about an hour to decide what we wanted, and then I got so confused because there were so many things that I wanted that I just ordered something random, but it turned out being amazing anyway. For starters, we shared some of their famous crispy barbecue cauliflower wings, which came with a ranch dip. This was honestly the best thing I ate on the trip, and the best thing I've eaten in a while, to be quite honest. And we also shared a couple of their vegan pizzas, and the flavor was just out of this world. Eventually, for my main, I actually ordered this eggplant dish, which had some kind of melted vegan cheese in it. I don't actually know what was in it, but all I know is that it was super tasty, super delicious, and super filling. Although, having said that, Amanda actually made the best choice on the menu. She got the Asian kelp noodle salad with an almond butter dressing, so I stole some of hers, of course, too. They also had so many different dessert options. I'm talking cakes, pastries, donuts, muffins, brownies, cheesecakes, and we actually ordered a couple of their cheesecakes to try. And I also got the chocolate, peanut butter and coffee flavored ice cream. Incredible, just incredible. Would 100% recommend this place. Hands down the best food I've eaten in a very long time. Anyways guys, as always, I'm sending you so much love and I'll see you on the next one. Laters.